Yo, we back again with another video, and this time it's a win for Diddy. Wow, Diddy scores legal win as Lil Rod's RICO claims are dismissed by judge. Ooh, wow, that's crazy, right? Crazy, 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 crazy. Reason why I say this is crazy because I think what Lil Rod was hoping that Diddy had so many lawsuits and legal troubles thrown at him, he would just pay out quickly to get rid of him, and that wasn't the case. I mean, from the videos that Little Rod had produced as evidence, he said there was underage girls. They turned out to not be underage girls there. They were full adults. And it's weird. He looked like he was having a good time. He didn't look like he was a person that was there and there was a gun to his head or something like that. He just looked like he was having a great time. There's women around, drinks. But I think what soured is when he never got paid the money he wanted. And that's when he said, okay, all this Cassie stuff came out. Let me try and get my money. And he came up with all these weird accusations from Tyron Wood, one of those weird lawyers. Everyone's calling him ambulance chasing lawyer, but it wasn't really that credible for a lawyer, because a lot of the lawsuits that they were putting out, it kind of went to the wayside where things were just changed and some things were dropped, and you could see that the pressure was put on the lawyer to drop certain names, or the record companies just didn't want nothing to do with it. They're like, get us out of this. You can sue Diddy, but you're not getting us. It's a Diddy's problem. So Mr. Tyrone Woodburn, he had dropped that. A lot of the claims of other claims were just like crazy. I mean, there were women around, but man, was anybody like any like vegetarian anything? I don't know. And let's read on. Did he just score an impartial win in his spawning what is it? Tapestry of lawsuits on Monday, March 24th? A judge dismissed claims that Sean Combs was not party to civil racketeering. Now this is good. When he chose not to pay the producer for his work on Love album, U.S. District Judge J. Oakton declared that Jones failed to show that any damage had been done to his business or property. The federal judge stated that Combs failed to pay the producer had no counsel connection to the RICO charges. Combs Global or its former chief staff Christine Karam. Combs' alleged refusal to honor a contract with Jones is not itself a RICO dictated act, even if the contract breach results from Jones' refusal to participate in the Combs alleged racketeering scheme. The judge wrote in their conclusion, in sum, whether or not Jones had adequately alleged that the existence of a RICO enterprise he has not tied to the activities of that enterprise is the defendant's breach of contract or any other business or property harm incurred by Jones. As for the accusations that Puffy committed a breach of contract, Judge Oakton pointed it to the New York State law, stating any contract that cannot be performed within a year is unenforceable unless it is written. However, this courthouse win shouldn't be celebrated by Combs' team for too long. Oakton ruled that Jones' claims of sex trafficking against the mogul and Combs could proceed. Wow. See, that's the problem. The sex trafficking is the problem. Because we've seen the Cassie stuff. That's what Cassie put through. And yeah, Judge Oakton reasoned that Jones' lawsuit met the necessary requirements to establish a claim that Diddy broke the state sex trafficking claims. Judge asserted that Lil Rod's description Combs alleged groping his genitals on his anus and forcing him to solicit in sex workers and performance in the pleasure of Mr. Combs were enough to proceed. Wow. So Diddy's not in the clear yet. That's what I'm trying to say. It's very odd, you know. Very odd lawsuit that this is coming through. It's a lot of money he's burning through, Diddy. A lot of money. Could you think about the times, how many lawsuits are coming through? He's just burning through money to keep. Well, he's in prison now, but to get all this away, it's a lot of money burning through. I don't even know if he has it. When he comes out, he's gonna be dead broke. All this billionaire talk and black excellence. This guy is gonna be broke. Whoa. You know, I don't think anything he can. I mean, that's if he clears his name through half of this, which I doubt it. You know, we've seen him. We've seen what he's capable of. Man, genitals. Who's reading this is crazy. Groping his genitals and anus. What type of man grope his anus? It just sounds crazy. That's his word against his. I don't know how it works, but yeah, we'll see if Diddy can get around this as well. I'm not on anyone's side really, man. You know, because I've seen what he can do. Sean Combs had consistently fought back against Little claims, issuing numerous statements denying any wrongdoing. Mr. Jones's lawsuit is pure fiction. His legal team wrote in 2024 regarding claims that Puffy sexually assaulted him. A shameless attempt to create media hype and extract a quick settlement. That's what I said. He was trying his best just to get a quick settlement that maybe he'll be pressured quickly. Like, oh, all this is coming out. Let's quickly pay him off. But you know, clearly that hasn't happened. And you know, I'm gonna be honest. With the Cassie, what happened with Cassie? If he had quietly settled with Cassie behind the scenes, all this would never have happened. This is what happened when they smelled blood in the water. They smelled Diddy's blood. And when they heard what happened with Cassie, that was it. He could have paid her off behind the scene. I don't even think that video would have came out. There would be no need for the video to come out to prove anything. But he sat down there and he lied to the whole world, saying that she was trying to extort him. That video came out, we all looked at Diddy differently. We looked at him to the point where we thought, we can't believe anything you say. You lied to us all. You know, that's the case, really, man. You know, I was looking at him like, yeah, like they're trying to extort the poor guy. Because this is what Diddy does. When there's problem, he hides behind, oh, I'm a black man, they're trying to pull me down. This is black excellence. I'm a black man doing well. They're trying to stop me. It's like, yo, no, stop, Diddy. You're just hiding behind your color and stuff like that. No. You done the worst to black people. You've been robbing them. You know, how many people on his label were black? He extorted them for money. I heard stories about him. He overcharged his artists, leaving them broke. It's okay for him to do it, right? When it happens to him, oh no, I'm this black man and they're trying to extort me, blah blah blah. I was sitting down there like, man, I know what you're capable of. You know, I've heard enough stories. So many stories. I've never heard anybody on his label come off of his label and say anything good about him. I mean, Lou. Yeah, I think someone like Lou, and he said, "Oh yeah, we was all good, party inside, but when it came to business, that was it. It was business." You know. that, that's what it is. It's business, but sometimes you could be business wise with your friends and still keep a cool, calm, collective way of functioning, where you're not ripping people off, you're giving people fair payments. But Diddy, he was a straight up business. He just didn't even care whether you're his friend or not. He would be like, yeah, that's my car in your video. I'm charging you for that. I've heard these stories, so the more evil you do to people on this planet, the more it comes back to you and bite you in the back side. And it looked like all Diddy's demons has come out for him. Strange, right? Isn't it? Anyway, I'm out.